Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. And yes, the reason why I look like an alien poodle is because I don't have my eyebrows on. And if you know me, you know that I don't like to look at myself without my eyebrows. But lucky for me, there is an eyebrow product I'm about to test out in this box. But yeah, if you're wondering, what's different? It's that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started quickly. All right, so this month's theme is love. And the first thing in the box is actually a skincare item. I'm gonna use this first. So this is the Tula or Tula. I'm not sure how to say that. I wanna say Tula for some reason. Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. It has pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. And it's supposed to help target your blackheads and deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. So I don't really exfoliate my skin all that often with physical exfoliators. I like to use chemical exfoliators most of the time, but we're gonna test that. Oh, I love this little packaging. I like this blue color. It reminds me so much of a color that I'm working on for Lacquer. Like I freaking identical. And also, by the way, this is formulated without parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, formaldehyde, gluten, retinol, synthetic fragrances, and they are cruelty free. And yeah, let's see. I'm supposed to apply this to clean skin with warm water and gently massage in circular motions. You know how an exfoliator works. Okay, I really have to work on my lighting in the bathroom. It's so bad. I look like the Crypt Keeper every time I film in there. But anyway, this is my skin. Can you guys see my gray hairs? Look at this, look at this. This is 29, oh my gosh. Look at this. Mary, Jesus, and Joseph. But anyway, this is my face. So my skin feels nice and smooth. I mean, it doesn't feel too tight or too dry or anything. I feel like it did the job, you know. And I don't know, I have to keep using this to see if it dries out my skin over time or if it's good, but my skin feels really nice, so far so good. Now we can dive into this brow product. This is the Brow Bar Bombshell Brow Kit. It says it includes tweezers, a brow pencil, and a two-sided spoolie with brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. Wow, it really is a whole brow kit. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, interesting. I wonder how this is gonna look in my brows now since I'm so used to the brow flick and using like a marker type of product. I'm very curious to see how this is gonna look. I love that it brings all this stuff though, so yeah, let's do this. Let's see how this tweezer performs. My favorite tweezer in the entire world is one from Revlon. Works good. Now I'm gonna take the brow pencil, which is this little guy right here. And I'm just gonna draw some hair. This is a bit too light for me, I can tell right off the bat. My hair is pretty dark, so I like to go pretty dark on my brows. But I'm sure with the powders we can make it work. There's a dark powder in there. Okay, so clearly this is not my shade. I'm applying the darkest powder, but it's still way too warm for me. Not the brown I was looking for. And even if I were to use the concealer to like clean up my brows, this concealer is too deep for me. So overall, this brow kit doesn't really work for me. Okay, so I added a little bit of my Glossier brow flick just to balance out that shade a bit because it was so light and warm and it looked a little funky. So I just added a little bit of Glossier. I don't know, I guess I was expecting to like this a lot more than I did. Even though I do use a marker type of product on my brows now, the color of this was off regardless. I would prefer a lighter concealer and a deeper brow product, but that's just me. Although I am excited to have some sort of brow product on right now. But okay guys, next up in the box is this. So this is from NCLA Los Angeles, and this is their So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle. It's a cuticle oil treatment, and look how cute this is. There are little glitters and little hearts floating in this thing. If that is not adorable, I don't know what is. I'm obsessed, I love it. It makes me feel all warm and toasty inside and loved. You know, like love is in the air. And also I love cuticle oils. I'm currently working on one. This one's really good. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. If you're not into rose, you might not like that scent. I typically don't like the scent of rose, but this smells really good. But I'm so picky with cuticle oils that it's something that I have to test on my skin for like weeks at a time to see if I like it or not. The scent is pretty strong on that guy though. Whoa. But I mean, it feels nice. I like it, I think. I don't know yet, but I think. Okay, and then the next thing in the box is another little Valentine's Day themed product. This is the Glamierre Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. And I'm very excited because I love these little things that remind me of the 90s. And this is so 90s. Look at this. Look at these brushes. So cute. I love these. They remind me of the IT Cosmetics Love is the Foundation brush. Their newest one. It's very much like this and I'm obsessed with this type of packaging. It just, you know, it reminds you of your childhood when life was simpler and you didn't have any bills or responsibilities, you know? It's nice. Since there isn't a palette for me to use these brushes with, I'm gonna do like a simple little eye look with a palette that I own, just so you can see these in action, but again, even more simple than I normally do. But actually really quickly, I'm gonna go throw on the rest of my face. All right, that's done. Now I can try out the very last product in the box. And this is the Trèstique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. And I actually saw this product, I think going a little bit viral on TikTok because of this little gadget. It has an eyelash curler connected to this mascara. So you just go like this and curl your lashes. Let's see if it works. But first I am gonna apply some of this pencil. Is it black though? It is black. That might be too harsh for me. Just add a little bit on the outer corners and on my tight line. I mean, if we're gonna get an eyeliner in the box, I do prefer a black or brown one, but I added a little bit just to see how it wears. It glides on really nicely, like it's very smooth. Okay, let's see, let's curl these lashes. This is a very small eyelash curler, so you have to do it in sections, which could be really, really cool, especially if you have smaller eyes. I just don't know how well it curls them, you know? Okay, so this is the mascara on my eyes. I'm not gonna lie, the eyelash curler is a little bit difficult to use, especially since I don't know if I'm getting every single piece and you have to like, I don't know, it's just really strange. But I love the idea of having like a little eyelash curler connected to your mascara. That's pretty cool. It's just not the best, but it does get the job done. Like if you're traveling, not that you are right now, but if you're on the go, it is a nice twofer. So I do like that. However, I do really like this formula. I think my eyelashes look super volumized. I really, really like it. They're thick, black, good. I like it. In fact, I honestly think the mascara is my favorite thing in the box this month. The mascara and the brushes, they're so freaking cute. The cuticle oil was nice as well. The only product I was like, yeah, that did not work for me for sure, was this guy. But I mean, everything else was pretty good. I'm definitely gonna use this mascara more often. I really, really like the formula. But anyway, guys, that completes this video. That was everything I got in this month's Boxycharm. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your box this month. Did you hate it? Did you love it? Let us know in the comments below. Like I said, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys! Oh, I didn't close the box. La 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 la. Cheesy. I think I fell for the girl on TV. I wish for you on a falling star, wondering where you are.